This video will teach you how to search the collections at the Kenyon College Archives. To begin, navigate to archives.kenyon.edu. This will take you to Kenyon's instance of ArchivesSpace, an information management system that provides web access to our archival collections. This resource contains finding aids that describe the content and organization of our collection. It works similarly to the library catalog. At the top of the screen in this gray bar, there are some links to help you navigate the site. The Home button will bring you back to this home screen, archives.kenyon.edu. Collections brings you to a browsable list of all of our collections. Digital Objects brings you to a list of collections that have digitized material publicly available online. The magnifying glass will also bring you to the search fields. Use the Enter Your Search Terms box to start your search. This will return results from all collections or individual records within the archives that match your search criteria. In this example, 63 results are returned for a search for philosophy, including a record for a collection with multiple boxes, a collection with one box, and a folder that is part of a collection. The last line in each record that begins with "found in" will provide a breadcrumb trail tracing where the record occurs within the hierarchical organization of the college archives. To further explore a collection, click on the collection title. This will display a collection overview. From here, you can also browse the collection by expanding the hierarchical levels of description included in the collection organization section on the right. The hierarchy typically follows a broad to narrow sequence of description, starting with the collection level, followed by box and folder level information. You can click on the collection title to return to the collection overview. To search within the collection, use the Search Collection box. The Search Collection box is located at the top right of the screen. The results of these searches will return only records from within a given collection that match your criteria. To start a new search, you can either click Home or the magnifying glass. The Limit by Record Type option allows you to filter for digital materials to see what items are digitized and available publicly online. You can also use the search field to narrow your search by keyword, title, or creator. Lastly, you can use these fields to filter by date. These finding aids are a work in progress and will continue to be updated with descriptive information as collections are processed. If you would like to make an appointment to view materials from the archives, email archives@kenyon.edu with the title and identifier of the folders or boxes you would like to see. If you need additional assistance searching ArchivesSpace or more information about Kenyon special collections and archives, please contact us by email at archives@kenyon.edu.